Hello, my name is Layla King, and this is my project, Self-Awareness and Self-Aware-ish, Undergraduate Perspectives on Self-Awareness. So, as the title suggests, this project focuses mainly on gathering student perspectives, students at Westchester University perspectives on self-awareness on campus compared to off campus. So, we're going to move into the methodology first. This is an interpretive phenomenological approach, IPA. This is within the qualitative research sphere, right? So IPA research really focuses on lived experiences of participants, and that's what we were mainly going after with these focus groups, which contained 16 participants. There were four focus groups total with four people in them each, and they didn't last longer than an hour. And then in terms of gathering our participants, we used convenience sampling as long as they met the inclusion criteria of being traditional undergrad students at Westchester, 18 to 22 years old, etc. So now we'll go into the results. So we have a total of five themes that we gathered. Self-awareness is a definitions theme, self-awareness at Westchester, qualities of self-awareness, influences on self-awareness, and self-awareness on and off campus. So then, as you can see in the graphic below, we also have a frequency of themes and subordinate themes that we found, and then kind of a little word cloud to show you what people were saying throughout the interviews. So the implications of this research, these three main bullet points are as follows. So the first one, self-awareness is a spectrum, kind of is this idea that has been established or that was established throughout multiple of the focus groups, that each individual is on their own journey of self-awareness. And this is interesting because it establishes that self-awareness is quantifiable in some way, which we found interesting. Then there's the social expectations influence on perceived self-awareness, right? So Westchester University and the campus culture as a whole has a large influence, we found, on how students perceive others' self-awareness and how students act around each other. So then that leads us into the last point that we found of interest, which is this idea of perceived self-awareness versus this willful ignorance, right? So are students really acting without self-awareness, or are they just being ignorant to their peers and their surroundings? So those are three talking points. There are so many more from this rich data collection, but this is the gist of the project. So thank you.